Hey everyone, this is Bright Schiller, your Tampa Bay real estate agent. So excited to be with you to share with you a new home tour that I'm going to be showing you. Now this is the home right behind me, the Bright Meadow by Neal Communities. Now I'm standing in the city of Parrish right now, and Parrish is a happening place. There is a ton of developments, a ton of builders, and a ton of action that's happening here. I'm very optimistic about the future of the city and the things that are coming here, so I think it's a great time to get in. Now the Bright Meadow is their mid-series product. They have some homes that are a little bit nicer, which is this one over here. If you want to look at that one, click the link right here on the screen. They also have some that are more entry level, which is what you're looking at right here. So if you want to see a tour of that home, I'm going to put a link on the screen right there that you can see that one. Now Neal Communities does a really good job. Their homes are beautiful. You can get the semi-custom feel, you can change a few things and different options that you could put in the house. Now hey, if this is your first time to the channel, thanks so much for tuning in. My name is Bright Schiller. I'm here to be a resource for you in your home buying experience and process. I know if you're coming from out of state that can be challenging, so put the burden on me and let me help you find your dream home in the Tampa Bay area. We do a lot of new construction, so without further ado, let's go check out this one. All right, so the Bright Meadow is a 3-bedroom home, 2-bathroom, 2,300 square feet, all on a single story. Also includes an office, a breakfast area, covered patio, and walk-in closets. Now the starting price for this home is going to be $556,000. You are going to have your lot on top of that, as well as your options. Pretty standard is 15 to 20% for what someone will spend in options in a home. You could do less or more depending on how much you want to put in. So excited for you to take a look around in this home, and please enjoy. And there is the wrap up of our tour. Now, once again, this is the Bright Meadow by Neal Communities. So Neal Communities is their own developer. They build their homes. Every home in here is going to be built by Neal Communities. Now, I will tell you, I'm very optimistic about the city of Parrish. There's a lot of growth that's coming here and a lot of growth that's yet to be had. So I think it's going to be a great investment if you're looking for a place that's growing, a place that you're going to have a lot of equity built in over time. To be one of the first ones in a new city, I think Parrish is going to be a phenomenal place for that. So if this is a home that you're interested in, I'm going to put my contact information on the screen. If this one's maybe not for you, but you're still looking for a home in the Tampa Bay area or surrounding areas, that's my goal, to bring you the best homes in the best communities. So if I can be a resource to you in any way, don't hesitate to reach out, contact me, find me on Facebook or Instagram. My information is in the details. I answer every DM that's sent to me. Look forward to hearing from you soon and see you in the next video.